Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring Hemenway Park.
Yeah, you don't know, it's about 20 or so minutes off the strip in Boulder City.
Yeah, so come get lost with us because this park has some really cool surprises.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're about to go out on another adventure, so make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe, because when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna jump off the Strat. So let's go. Good morning from Boulder City. And that is where we are. And it's a little bit after 6 a.m., so the sun is just coming up. So we're going to check out Hemenway Park today. Join us. Alright, so the sign's a little bit faded, but it does sort of talk about the rams that you can see over here. Basically says to keep a safe distance. Desert Bighorn Sheep are wild animals and prefer to have space to themselves. If you chase me, I will chase you. Yeah, so don't chase the animals. And don't try to feed them. That's basically what the sign says. Apparently, this park is one of the only places in the world where you can see desert bighorn sheep this close as they journey down from the river mountains into the park. During the warmer months, as many as 80 or more sheep can be seen. Alright, so we're going to see if we can see any. It's a little chilly this morning. It's not quite warmer, so I don't know. So this shot's probably going to be a little bit backlit because the sun is coming up over the mountains. But we got Lake Mead down there. Got a little bit of a park. We got some grassy areas. And then we got the mountains all the way up there. Alright guys, so we have our first sighting. They're kind of tiny from this angle. We're going to try and see if we can get a little bit closer. But they're just underneath that tree line. There's a whole group of them that just started coming down the mountain. So we're going to head over in that direction. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm going to go really slow. We're about 20, 30 feet away. Or just stay still. I'm just gonna stay still. I don't want to spook them. Guys, I can't tell you how cool this is, because this is so cool. guys, so a little bit of facts about these sheep. They can live into their late teens. They vary in body size and horn size. The males, the rams, are much larger than the females, called ewes, E-W-E-S. Males may weigh between 140 and 200 pounds, while females weigh between 90 and 150. And by age 6, a ram's horns are large and extensively curled. Horn size helps establish rank in the herd, and the larger the horns, the higher the rank. It's crazy when you see that they like ram each other with the horns, like that's crazy. Ooh, it smells like doo-doo. They all looked. So just a little bit more. So this is considered a mini vacation spot for the desert bighorn sheep. Because this park has a bunch of clover and a variety of grasses for them to eat, along with fresh water, they only need to visit a water source every few days. And then when the blazing desert sun scorches the vegetation up on the mountain, they descend to enjoy the cool grass. So that is why it's easier to see them in the warmer months. These guys are literally like not even 10 feet away from me. Like, this is not Zoom, guys. This is how close they are to me. Crazy. And now I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get back to Gary without scaring them. Walking across here. This is crazy. They're also shedding, it looks like. Not zoomed in, guys. They are that close. It's crazy. Alright guys, they're kind of back here somewhere. Occasionally I see them kind of pop up. They're kind of making their way down. So I'm just gonna wait out here and see if they make an appearance. Another little fun fact, the Bighorn desert sheep is Nevada's state mammal. Interesting. Alright, so another fun fact, that since 1967, this herd has played a major major role in the repopulation of species throughout the state. So they do a lot of capture and relocation, and they have helped successfully repopulate the sheep population across the state in Nevada as well as other states. So kind of cool. Alright guys, they're kind of tucked away into that top little corner. You can see them kind of running. I don't know if they're gonna run this way though. They look like they're going up. They're going away from us, it looks like. So there are a few pavilions out here that you can rent just like you can at any other public park. Alright, they're starting to, this other pod of sheep are starting to make their way down, sort of. We'll see. Alright, so here's a scan of the back side of the park. As you can see, that's Lake Mead out there. Hoover Dam is just kind of beyond that. And we just got like a bunch of grassy space. There's a bunch of benches that you can kind of hang out in and watch the sunset on Lake Mead. And then there's a bunch of houses. Tons of houses out here. Gorgeous houses.
For sure.
I have to say, Boulder City is a very interesting city. And there's also tennis courts out here as well. Then we got basketball courts, and of course we got a little bit of the playground too. But they're not really moving.
Oh, they're alive. They move. Can't see, just went set.
Oh yeah, there they go. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna try and get it tighter. Show you a tighter shot. But there are more rams up here about to come down, so I guess we're gonna stick around, see if they actually come down off the cliff.
Yeah, see, there they go. They're going up the hill. Try to move just a little bit closer. Look how easy they go up the hill. That's so cool. Oh, he's laying down. Oh. Just kind of chilling like a villain. Yeah. Just gonna hang out there for a while. Pretty cool. Alright, so that concludes Hemenway Park.
Yeah, so it's really cool coming out here and seeing the Bighorn Sheep. They are bigger than what we thought they would be,
Yeah.
for
So
sure.
cool. So cool though. And they get super close too.
Yeah, they literally, like, we got here, you couldn't see anything, and then they just, like, appeared out from up top, and then they just kind of came down, like, in a whole group of them, and we've just been out here watching them for the last half hour, 45 minutes or so.
So legit tip for sure is to get here early, especially if you want to see them.
Yeah.
Because the park does get a little bit busier as the morning progresses. And another legit tip is to make sure you come out here during the little bit warmer months when it's cold. They stay up in the mountains, so the warmer it gets, the more they come down from the mountains and eat the grass and stuff.
Yeah, so if you guys have another park that you'd like us to check out, or maybe there's another area in Boulder City where we can see them,
let us know.
let us know in the comments below, and we'll make sure to go check it out. And then let us know if you guys have ever been here, because it's pretty cool.
Yeah, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you see more stuff like this around Vegas, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when we post new videos.
All right, and we will see you guys in the next adventure.
Yeah, so come get lost with us again, everybody. Bye.